Hey, good morning, family. Hope y'all are doing good, man. Top of the morning. Happy Tuesday. Guys, I woke up this morning feeling very good. Woke up on the right side of the bed. And when I say that, I feel that there's days where we can wake up on the side of consciousness, being aware of the alarm clock, the agenda of the day, yesterday's concerns. And then there's days we could wake up on the other side of the bed. I call the right side of the bed, where we wake up grateful to open our eyes and grateful to wake up a little earlier than the alarm clock. Grateful that we woke up a little earlier to where we don't feel like we're in a rush. I like to call that the right side of the bed, and I like to call the other side, the left side, the not the wrong side of the bed. But this is a crazy thought I'm having. So when you wake up on the right side of the bed, it's like waking up in your subconscious. The subconscious is part of the mind that doesn't know, it doesn't differentiate the reality from not reality. So it doesn't see the impossible, it doesn't see limitations, it doesn't see restrictions. It's free. It's kind of like space, like out there stars just keep expanding and they keep growing and they shine brighter and brighter. Well, that's the subconscious. That's the right side. And then when you wake up on the left side of the bed is when you wake up in your conscious mind, and you wake up to the alarm and kind of frantic sometimes, and you feel like, oh, the day has already started and I'm behind. All those feelings is what I call the left side of the bed. Well, this morning I woke up on the right side of the bed. I woke up and I was just opened my eyes, and the first thing I thought was, man, I'm happy to be alive. It was like a joy, and it's not even that I thought it. It was like an overwhelming feeling. Different, really different. And that's how I kind of had this thought, like, wow, I woke up on the right side of the bed. Not that there's a wrong side of the bed, but there's a left and there's a right. I don't think there's anything wrong or right when I'm talking in these type of terms. I know there's the wrong thing to do and there's the right thing to do, but when I'm talking in terms of life, I think that life, there's no wrongs in life. We wake up every day and we give it our best shot, and there's nothing wrong about living. There's only the right in life. But I'm trying to introduce to you the left side of life. You know how they always say the grass ain't greener on the other side? Well, I kind of feel like that's what they're talking about. They may not know it consciously, but subconsciously, they're being told something that is limitless, that is beyond restriction, that the grass is greener on the other side. They're being told that within their heart, but then their conscious mind interferes with that language and says it ain't greener on the other side. But I think their heart is trying to tell them, hey, it's greener on the other side. Their subconscious, the right side of the bed. But the left side, when they woke up, they just think, oh, it ain't greener on the other side. Well, I got some good news. The grass is green where you water. If you wake up on the left side of the bed to the alarm clock and you feel frantic and you feel like, oh, the day is ahead of me, you can restart. All you have to do is close your eyes and breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. And do that 3 times. And if you need more times, do it 5 times. And when you do that, you are resetting your clock. You see, because time is just a created thing. When you wake up on the right side of the bed, you're not confined to time and space. The right side of the bed is your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind isn't trapped within this physical world of time and space. It's actually free within timeless, spaceless reality. That's how we receive insight and wisdom in our current time. We live in our body. Our body is trapped in space and time, but our mind, not our brain, but our mind, the faculty of our spirit, the cog and wheel of our spirit, our mind, is actually not located in this space and time. It's actually located in the beyond, in the spirit. So we live in our body in this physical world, and we're being instructed and influenced by something outside of us, by our soul, by the spirit, by the mind. You see, when you wake up on the right side of the bed, it's because your body is being instructed through the mind of the soul, which is led by the spirit. And the body hears the mind of the soul and the spirit. And the body wakes up happy without a word being said to it. It's kind of what I felt this morning. That's waking up on the right side of the bed, when the body is interacting and hearing the mind of the soul. We kind of feel this through our day-to-day, like when we can go through our regular day, and then like this jolt of happiness just hits us. We have a happy thought, that happy thought comes from outside of this space and time. It comes from the mind of the soul and the spirit, and it inspires us to smile and to feel warm in the heart. It's crazy how life works, and that's the right side. That's where it's greener on the other side. If you're in a place where it's not green, take a couple seconds and breathe in and breathe out, and repeat that. Repeat that slowly. And what will happen is, you being in the left side, in your conscious mind, where we all live in our body and our circumstances and emotions, through that couple deep breaths we take, we almost like transport ourselves to the right side. It's actually really cool. Many people call it meditation. I'm gonna call it transformation, because the Bible says that be transformed by the renewing of your mind. That's so cool. I think that's in Romans. Be transformed by the renewing of your mind. So if you wake up on the left side of the bed and you are waking up to the alarm clock and you feel frantic, this is what you can do. Take a few deep breaths very slowly, and through that deep breath, you transform yourself by the renewing of your mind. Now you're renewed, and you're on the right side where the grass is green, and your body can hear the mind of the soul that's in the spirit speak to it, and you will feel a sense of joy, a sense of peace. Man, it's so beautiful when we are able to realize the I guess you could say the tricks, but it's not really a trick. These are the laws of life. These are the laws of life and liberty. When we're able to understand these different things that can help us transform our lives, and that we can wake up on the right side of the bed, or we could wake up in the middle of our day and move to the right side where the grass is green. It's a beautiful thing, because sometimes we don't feel like we can make it to the other side where the grass is green. which is why I love to say the grass is green where you water it. So if you're at a place where you feel that the grass isn't green, I want you to take a few seconds to breathe in and breathe out very slowly. And that is you watering the grass. And as you water the grass, when you open your eyes, you will be in another place. And it may be just for a few seconds that you realize, wow, I'm in a different place. And then it'll kind of disappear before your eyes. But then you do it again, and you do it again. Do it every 5 minutes. And eventually you'll become so strong in that space of transforming your reality that you'll be able to live in peace whenever you decide and you snap your fingers, or whenever you decide in your thoughts, I want to go back to that happy place. This is inspiration for the morning. I pray that you guys receive this message and can take yourself to the greener side, to life and liberty. I'm grateful for you guys. God bless y'all. Have a great day.